For you guys, if you guys didn't know, for the travels, we are using the Easy Pass. This version sticks to your windshield, so you don't have to worry about your tolls. You have an app. I'm gonna show you guys the app, and then through your app you load the money to it, and then while you are passing some toll roads and stuff, so you just Easy Pass as it is, it calls, so just charge you. But recently we find out actually they are going to change this to a sticker, which is you are sticking it right on the windshield, and we apply for it and we upgraded it, and guess what, we got it, and it is right here. So I will be actually putting it up there, and I'm gonna remove the other one, the device. So the other one, which is this one, the current one we have, sometimes because the suctions and stuff like that, so all the time they fall and stuff like that. But other one gonna be just a sticker, gonna stays there forever. So I am happy to have that. And if you guys didn't know, there's something like that is existing, so I'm gonna just replace it, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do. So what is in the envelope, actually, just they send some papers with it, and how where do you put it and what locations it should be, like 2 sides of your mirror, which is like in this side or the other side. I'm gonna just trying to put it in this side, and some other different directions. And also they send some flyers in as well. And then with this, it looks like it fell off, so this is the sticker comes with it. So let me take it out and show you guys. Let me see if I can do it in one hand. Looks like I did it, actually. Sorry if I'm dropping a lot of stuff. So yeah, this is the things come with it. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on and go from there. So when it comes, it looks like this. So you're gonna peel it off from this side and just put it right there. Let me do it. So it looks like the time is coming. I'm gonna just peel off this guy, and it's very easy. I'm gonna just locate it right under here, because you can do on both sides or under the rear mirror, which is we don't have it because we have a camera for the rear mirror camera. So first I'm gonna wipe it off to make sure there's no debris and stuff like that, and then after that I'm gonna apply it. Let me get my little wipe here to wipe it off this area, and then I'm gonna apply the barcode. So right now I'm gonna just peel off this. Sorry if I'm not very centered in the capture, because here it's a little bit tight. So here we are, and right now we are good to go. So from now we're gonna be hooked up, and this one goes to the trash maybe, or we might just keep it. So yeah, the Easy Pass actually it's been very helpful for us. So while we've been on the road, we didn't have to deal with some other extra tickets and go back and pay for it and stuff like that. And this Easy Pass actually been working almost, I can say, if I'm not exaggerating, 80 or 90% of the places we've been traveling to. So yeah, hopefully this helped you guys. And yeah, if you didn't know, that yes, they are upgrading it, and they are the devices, which is these are, they are getting out of the order, and this sticker's coming up. So yeah, and if it helps, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you guys in the next one. So the app gonna be right here. So it is like this. So when you open it, I'm gonna try it and then show you guys the rest, because it needs my face recognition. So here's the account. I don't want to show my name on it, so the account is here. So when I click on it, on my vehicles, so there's 2 vehicles, and it shows your activities when you go through the toll roads and stuff. So yeah.